Hello and welcome to another video. My mini screwdriver has come. It's on a keyring, as you can see. I've put it on an exercise book so you can see it better, because if I put it on my thingy, it's not easy to see. Well, you can't see it, but yeah, it shows up better on here. So there's a screwdriver in this end and there's a screwdriver in this end. Can't do it with one hand. So there's one screwdriver. And there's the other. So they could come in useful. And it's rolling around. So there's the screwdriver. And that's what screws onto it. So it's the other end screws off to show the other screwdriver. Now it came 7 days early, which is good. It came in a tiny weeny package, and I thought, wow, is there actually anything in that? That was the package. I couldn't feel anything in it. I thought, but no, there was something in it. It was very small, and that is it. Now I have tried it with that maze thing, and I couldn't get it open. Not because the screwdriver doesn't work, because I haven't got the strength probably. But they will come in useful. And they're cute. They're actually watch repair, it says on it. Although I think a screwdriver even smaller than that would really be better for the watch. I can't see it. I've got my other cardigan today because I washed the other one. Do you think it's big enough, small enough to work to do this watch? Anyway, I get the person at the kiosk by Tesco to change the battery in the watch and repair it. And get that professional to do that as well, but these come in useful for other things probably. I like it, it's cute. It's rolling again. When you put it on the keyring thing, it doesn't roll because it stops it from rolling. This bit does. So you put it back on. Sorry about the darkness. If you like the darkness, that's okay. Justin Hawkins, I'm sure he's a very nice chap. You know what I'm talking about. The darkness was on bargain hunt today. They won by losing £20. Anyway, there it is. My mini screwdriver keyring. So that's the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, give it a like and subscribe, and I'll see you later. Bye.